So today, we're going to be introducing you to the new Maxibright Daylight 660W Pro LED. Pro version takes all of the features that made the original Maxibright LED our best-selling light for 2020 and pushes things to the next level. With improved Lumiled and Osram diodes, the Pro puts out an incredible 2.7 microvolts of plant-usable light for every watt of electricity, placing it amongst the most efficient LEDs currently available. You'll notice that the Pro's really easy on the eye, with a more stylized and slender form than the original, and it also weighs much less too. This makes it much more convenient to transport and ship, and even easy to fit through awkward spaces like loft hatches. Incidentally, if you are operating with limited headroom, then the Pro version gives you an extra couple of inches to play with. The thumb screws have also been upgraded to clips, which are tidier and more secure, and the hanging eyelets have had a revamp too. It's IP65 rated, which protects the internals from low pressure water jets and dust, giving you extra peace of mind. We still wouldn't recommend getting it wet, but it's reassuring to know that it could take a splash or two if the worst ever happened. The new plug-and-play dimmer is now tethered to the unit, allowing you to alter output levels in 25% increments from outside the grow space. With a 50,000 hour effective lifespan, you'll be pulling down huge crops for years to come. To learn more about LEDs, visit our website or come and see us in store.